Imagine waking up each day to a steady stream of income, all thanks to the power of AI. In 2025, turning AI into a $100 a day passive income machine is not just a dream, it's entirely achievable. Let's dive into how you can make this happen. First, consider leveraging platforms like Gumroad. This is where you can sell digital products. Think ebooks, courses, or even templates. With AI tools, you can create high-quality content quickly. For instance, use ChatGPT to generate ideas or write your ebook. The beauty of Gumroad is that once your product is live, it can sell continuously with minimal effort on your part. Next up, let's talk about Canva. This user-friendly design tool allows you to create stunning visuals for your products or social media. You can design eye-catching graphics that attract customers without needing advanced design skills. Pair this with AI-generated content from ChatGPT, and you have a winning combination. Create a series of social media posts promoting your product, and watch the sales roll in. Now, let's not forget about Pictory. This AI video creation tool can help you turn your written content into engaging videos. Video marketing is a powerful way to reach a wider audience. Use Pictory to create promotional videos for your Gumroad products. With the right visuals and a compelling script, you can capture attention and drive traffic to your sales page. Once you have your products and marketing materials ready, set up a PayPal account to handle transactions. PayPal is trusted and widely used, making it easy for customers to purchase from you. Plus, it offers features that allow you to track your sales and manage your finances effortlessly. But how do you scale this to make $100 a day? Focus on building an email list. Use lead magnets like free ebooks or templates to attract subscribers. Once you have their email addresses, you can promote your products directly to them. This creates a loyal customer base that will keep coming back for more. Another strategy is to collaborate with influencers in your niche. Reach out to them and offer them a commission for every sale they generate. This can significantly increase your reach and sales without upfront costs. And here's a pro tip. Create a membership site where you offer exclusive content for a monthly fee. Use platforms like Patreon or even your own website to host this. With AI, you can continuously generate fresh content, keeping your members engaged and subscribed. Finally, remember to analyze your results. Use analytics tools to track what's working and what's not. This will help you refine your strategies and maximize your income potential. By combining these tools and strategies, you can easily turn AI into a $100 a day passive income machine. It's all about leveraging technology to work smarter, not harder. So, get started today and watch your income grow.